just look at this cool awesome effect I just figured out. Like, it's my webcam, and see, this is the real screen where my hand is like colorful. And then there is another screen, and another screen, and another screen, and another screen, and there are infinite of screens. And you can't really see because I need to put the dark effect. Whoa! Look at that little fizzy name bar. Oh, oh yeah, golden bar. Screens, infinite of screens. Oh, they'll never end. I mean, they will never end. However, oh, and you can see why. Screens, 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 screens. Too many screens. They make me dizzy. Oh, wow. This is so much fun. Yeah. I'm sorry for this randomness, but yeah. Screens. Whatever. Oops. Well, whatever. Just like, thanks for watching, and bye. And sorry, it's so dark. But yeah, thanks for watching.